This is a short tutorial on the way Elastic is presenting their log. The first screen that you see here is the Discover UI. This is the most common UI that everyone that used Kibana and Elastic is familiar with. And you can see that when I open this UI, I immediately see the stream of logs that are being collected. You can see that the latest log is in the top. And as I scroll down, I go back in time. In terms of the time picker, there are multiple ways to interact with it, or multiple ways to select the UI. You have an absolute term for the start date. So you can select the date, and it immediately provide me with the start date up until now. I can change the now to be different, a different time. Can be relative time. Yeah, and I can set it now. When I will click on the update, it will refresh the page. You can see here a histogram of the total logs that I have. I can select a specific time frame, zooming in on the logs, and this page will get refreshed. Those are the logs, by the way. You can see that I have a timestamp and a source. The logs in Elastic are structured, which means that they have several fields. So, for instance, I can present it in a table view, and this is the log. And since it's a structured log, I can see additional parameter, such as the cloud availability zone, machine type, and more. Usually, if I will open this log, I will just see this text, the text that is on the right column. The left column is what Elastic add to my logs. What else do I see here? So on the left side, I can see all of those fields, basically the structure of the logs, of all the logs that I'm collecting. I can pin a specific field. Let's see if I can find something interesting. Maybe a date. Usually a number is something that, let's see if there is something. So there is a timestamp here. So if I'll click on edit, sorry. So it got added here. So I can see this. I mean, if I'll add like more fields, I will be able to see those. I will pin them to the UI, and now I can filter by this. I can sort. So I can sort by this field. It's really helpful when you're doing an investigation, and it's like you're sorting by time. You can sort by other parameters. I have the regular search if I want to look for a specific word. So let's see, AWS, if I have AWS logs. So it is looking for this string. Let's see. I probably have a GCP. No. Search can take a while. Okay, so found the search. I will open it. You can see that it is highlighting the word and it's actually on the message. Okay. Let's see what else. So Elastic has its own query language. It is called KQL. Query language are important, and this is something that is quite popular with some of our solution, with some of the logging solution. So I can look, for instance, for a specific field. When I will start type this field, I'll immediately get an autocomplete. So let's say I want to look for all the logs that the Kubernetes container name, and those are the operators, is equal, and I should have an autocomplete here as well. Let's see if it works. Yes. So it provides me with all the container name option. So for instance, I want to see all my Mongo and any other parameter that I want. So those are all the logs that are coming from my container that its name is Mongo. I assumed those are the MongoDB logs. Yeah, you can see that the data set is mongodb.log. Event module is Mongo. Okay. Yes, this is it. I have something else. No, okay, so it seems that on the time picker, I also have an option to click and see the common use time ranges that are available, plus the one that I've used. I can also set the refresh rate every X amount of second. Sorry. I can also see a single document. The document is a log entry. By the way, you saw that the page is being refreshed now every second. Or more. View surrounding document will give me like five new document before and 5 new document after. The document is a log entry. Let's see what else. We look at the search query that I have. I can save the queries. I can have different filters based on the fields. So if I want to see only the Mongo, so we looked at the Mongo Kubernetes, let's look at Kubernetes. It was name. Kubernetes container name is Mongo. I'll save this filter and it will remain here. Now all the logs that I'll see here will be filtered by this filter that I created. And now we can continue doing my search based only on those filtered logs. I can enable and disable the KQL, the Kibana query language, and use only the Lucene syntax. Lucene is the engine that is running behind Elasticsearch. Yeah, I think this is it. Speed only. Cool. Thanks. Bye.